aircraft still in service? Number 1. De Havilland Canada U-6A Beaver 1947. Number 2. Antonov AN-2 Colt 1947. Number 3. Tupolev Tu-95 1954. Number 4. Lockheed C-130 Hercules 1954. Number 5. Fokker F-27 Friendship 1955. Number 6. Boeing B-52 Stratofortress 1955. Number 7. Lockheed U-2 1955. Number 8. Boeing KC-135 Stratotanker 1956. Number 9. Pilatus PC-6 Porter 1959. Number 10. Mikoyan Gurevich MiG-21 1959. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. To watch more amazing informative videos like this, do like, share and subscribe to the channel.